Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Let me show you what I decided to pick up from the Dollar Tree this week. I picked up this calendar. It's called Tranquility. It is a 12-month calendar. I like it. Look at this. It's like all sceneries of water and sunsets and mountain. So cute. And I picked this up because I want to use this in a project. And I just love all the pictures. They're so cute. And yeah, I just picked up that one. And then I picked up this pot holder. It's a two-piece pot holder that has the wine, the vineyard in the background, the grapes and cork and bottle opener and all that on there. I think it'll make a really cute picture, right? So that was my idea on wanting to pick this up. So I like it. I do use this in my kitchen. I love these Dollar Tree hot pads. Now you can only use it for a short time because it gets used very quickly. So I don't mind because I love Dollar Tree's hot pads, and I change them very so often. And then I found this. Look, it kind of looks like it should be part of the Christmas. So I don't know if they had it at Christmas time and I missed out on it. Because they do have a couple of more other selection. One just has like a cross, and there's another one. I can't remember what the other one was, but this was part of that three-piece collection. So I like it. And I'm going to save this for Christmas. Now, if you don't mind the color, you can leave the color as is. And then you can always paint it too. But yeah, it's a cute little lantern. And it is, let me measure it. It is 3 inches wide by 6 inches in height. Cute, right? I like it. I only picked up the one. I also picked up this computer paper. It is by Jot, and you get 24 sheets in each package, and they are 8.5 by 11 inches. And I picked up 2 of this package. I've lately discovered that Dollar Tree has some really cute computer papers. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's got a floral print going all the way around the edge. I like it. And I picked this up to use in my scrapbooking projects. The paper is thin enough to where you can print on it or you can write on it. It is really nice. See the print? Isn't that just pretty? So I'm happy I found this. And then I also found this. Look at this. It is a 3-ring binder by Jot. It is 12 inches by 9.8 inches. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So this is 1.5 inch binder right here. So there's a lot you can do with this. You can decorate it if you like, or just keep it as is. I wish, well, I'm hopeful that Dollar Tree will get the 2-inch binders, because I think they do carry the 2 inches during the back to school season. I could be wrong, but it'll be nice if they do. I will definitely pick some up if I see a larger size. And since Dollar Tree does carry the smaller version, I'm hoping to see those too. So I will definitely pick some of those up. So if you see this, grab one. Isn't this neat? The things we find at Dollar Tree, right? This is why I keep going back week after week after week. I picked up some books while I was at Dollar Tree. I picked this one up. It's Miss Peregrine's Journal for Peculiar Children. See there? I like the book. It is really nice. So I picked up one for myself and one for the trick-or-treaters. It's going to go in the trick-or-treater bin. But I look at this page, I really like the line, the brown line page, and it's got the picture at the front and the top of the page. It also comes with some pictures, and I can definitely cut those out and use those in other projects. But look at this, it also comes with a ribbon for bookmarking your page if you plan on using this as a journal. So I'm quite happy I picked these up. And they only had 2 on the shelf, so I only picked up 2. If I see any more, I will pick up a couple more to add to the trick-or-treater bin. But I think this is a really cute gift idea. I also found this book. This is by Leonard S. Marcus. It's The Man Who Could Not Stop Randolph Caldecott. Look at that. So this rang up as a children's book, but I was looking through here, and this guy Randolph Caldecott, he wrote or he drew all these illustrations for children's books. And then there's like a little information on all the illustrations he did and where those illustrations were used. Well, how nice is this, right? So if you see one of these, go ahead and pick one up and take a look. See, there's illustration right here, and then it tells you right here where the illustrations was used, like it went in here, things like that. But how nice is this book, right? I like it. But I only found the one, so this one came home with me. I decided to pick these up. This is a foundation brush, and I picked up 3. So I was looking at some videos lately on YouTube. So they use a brush like this to transfer like the ink to your pages, right? So you put the ink on here and then you shade in your paper. So I decided to give it a try and see how well this method works out for me. And it's quite a soft bristle brush if you want to use it on your face, but I thought I'd try it. I mean, they're $1.25, so I went ahead and picked up 3 of them, and just to try, and I'm quite hopeful that it'll work out really well. I'm always interested in trying new things. So I also picked this one up. This is a false eyelash extension applicator. But look at this, it's actually a tweezer. If you don't use this product, you don't pay attention to it. And it just contours with an eyelash if you were to use it on an eyelash. But look at that. Because sometimes I do pick up things that my pointy tweezer has trouble holding on to. A larger surface to grab things with, see? So I thought I'd give this a try and see how well this works out. But I can already tell it's going to be just fine. And then it comes with the little rubber tubing to help hold the clamp together. So I will add this and the brush to my new tools supply from Dollar Tree. I picked up some movies while I was at the Dollar Tree. I found this one. It's called The Game, and it's a show that aired on BBC, so I'm quite interested to see what how the movie is. It is a 2-piece disc set, and I was kind of reading this, and it's about spies and intelligence. Kind of like that secret op kind of deal. So yeah, that'll be interesting. I also picked up this one. This is a 2-film collection, and it is Isn't It Romantic and How to Be Single. I watched this one already, Isn't It Romantic? I've yet to watch How to Be Single, so I've been wanting to watch that one for a while now, so I get to watch it now. And they're both movies are with Rebel Wilson. And then this bottom one is with Dakota Johnson, Leslie Mann, and Allison Brie. So yeah, I'm gonna put some girl time aside for myself and watch all my movies. So Dollar Tree does have quite a collection of DVDs out right now, so take a look when you visit your store. That was everything that I picked up this week. I like my new binder. It is very, very eco-friendly binder. So, and then I love my new computer print paper that I will be using very shortly. And then the same thing with this image off this hot pad. Very cute. I like them. Well, I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you visit the Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.